Hello everyone, this is Mohammed from Python Ninja YouTube channel, and today we have a new exercise toward practicing more for loop in Python and what we learned so far. This exercise is common when you practice Python coding and is available in different YouTube channels such as Code Basic. Let's try. Suppose you are entering a marathon with an intelligent watch where the total distance given in mile, and after each mile you pass, the watch will show a message to you that you run, for example, number of miles. For example, if you run 2 miles, then a message will come to your watch that you run this number of miles or 2 miles, and the watch for every mile the watch will ask you if you want to continue or not, and if you want, then the counter will continue, and if you will stop the running in the marathon, then another message will come to you. Suppose that the total distance of this marathon is 10 miles, and if you reach these 10 miles, a congratulation message will appear to you. How can we approach this exercise? We have this given 10 miles. So we build a for loop for I in range. Okay, this thing, what we will do for this range. Now we ask ourselves if the distance, if you start running in the marathon and the distance is not equal to 10. So if I, okay, not, we use this exclamation mark to express not equal to 10. What I have to do, then I will print the first thing to print to the user to show him that how many miles he passed. Okay, then I will show to him you ran. I will list holder I plus 1, since this I will start from 0, as we learned together. Then the iterator in Python and the indexing in Python start from 0, and for this it will at 9. Okay, and we use I plus 1 because if the first mile will pass, then we will add 0 plus 1. It will show to the user that he ran I plus 1 miles. Okay, like this. So this is the first message that will appear to the user. Okay, in his watch or intelligent watch, that will show to the user how many miles he passed. Now what we will do then we will ask the user using for example this ask me variable. We will express an input. Do you want to stop for example running, and we will open choices to him. Yeah, Y for yes and N for no. So this is the structure. In the marathon, he will run in the first mile, second mile, and we will ask him after every mile that if you want to continue or not, or if she want, because we don't need to be in a pass mode, if anyone to continue or not. Now, what if the variable or the user say, for example, no, I do not need to stop? Then we learn together continue. Continue means that please don't do anything in the code, just keep it going. Okay, this is like literally what it means, that if we use continue, meaning that pass, don't look at any action. But if this variable will equal y, meaning that if the user will say yes, I want to stop, then directly I will break, and I want to look to this variable or to this index to see if it reached to 10 or not. Okay, so if I plus 1, why I plus 1, this range iterator will start from 0 and end at 9. Okay, and I add 1 to show just we do manipulation, okay, or augmentation of these numbers. We shift them by 1 just to show to the user the number 10. Okay. However, it's 9, but we shift this one because we want the user to be okay with number 10. If this I is plus 1 is equal 10, then I want to print to the user, for example, this message, you passed, or you run I plus 1 mile. Okay, then I will say to him, congratulations. Okay, like this. This is the congratulation message. But if not, else, okay, else I will print, okay, to the user, you let us use f string here, you run I plus 1, okay, and didn't finish the marathon. Okay, let us execute this code. Well, when we execute, we have this iterator, then we go to if condition. Okay, it will not equal 10 since it starts at 0, and this show message, it's appear here, and there is ask me, which is input, which come here. It will ask me if I want to continue. If I say, if I want to stop, if I press yes, then it will break, and it will goes to else, not to go to this condition. You run 1 mile, okay, and yeah, you didn't finish the last one. But what if I want to say 1, you no, I have to say no, not 1. I have to say no. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, after 10, you run 10 miles. Congratulations. That's for today's tutorial. We recap together for loop, if, elif, continue, and break. Please sit back and relax and try practicing this exercise because it will smoothen your skills in coding. We still have 2 other tutorials that we will highlight within these tutorials, some exercises. Then we will go to the Python data structure. We will start with list. We already presented string because we know the importance of a string before describing loops in Python. Thank you. Please subscribe and share this video among or to anyone who wants to practice Python in a comprehensive way.